How to use Snapchat camera? Want to master the Snapchat camera and level up your snaps? Here's how you can do it. First, open the app and just click on this. You can add text from here and send it by tapping on this send to, and you can send it to your friends from here. Send it. You need a selfie? Don't worry. Simply tap on this camera right here. Click a selfie like this. Just like that. You can also add filters from here, just like that. Repeat the same process. You can also add many more stickers from here, like this, and tap on send and send it again. Now let's say you wanna film without holding the button. Simply go to the stopwatch right here, tap on it, and you can see timer right here, tap on it, and just set the timer like this, and tap on set timer. And now click on this button, and just like that you set timer, and it will automatically start the video for you. Once it's done, stop it by tapping it again right here, and just like that you just clicked a video on Snapchat. And that's it. Now you know how to use Snapchat camera. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.